Baby. Nice.
Wow. Amazing. Very amazing and nice. Yes.
It's my zodiac sign.
Yes.
And my lucky color for 2025.
So nice. So nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Amazing, 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 amazing.
Yeah.
Fazia, Fazia, Fazia. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make my nail polish according to my zodiac sign lucky color for 2025. So, I'll give you also some idea for your zodiac sign lucky color for 2025. Stay tuned guys, then I'll see ya! Bye! Aries. So, our lucky color for 2025 is red, white, and orange. Taurus. So, the lucky color for 2025 of Taurus is pink, green, and white. Gemini. For Gemini, the lucky color for 2025 is yellow, light blue, and green. Cancer. For 2025, lucky color for Cancer is silver, white, and blue. Leo. For Leo, it's gold, orange, and white. Virgo. For Virgo, it's forest green, white, and beige. Libra. For Libra guys, it's pink, sky blue, and white. Scorpio. Deep red, black, and dark blue. For Sagittarius guys, purple, tortoise, and white. Capricorn, it's dark green, navy blue, and white. Aquarius guys, it's aqua blue, silver, and white. Pisces, sea blue, green, and white. So, I am an Aries. My lucky color for 2025 is red, white, and orange. So, let's do it. Guys, let's start with the red color. As you can see, we have 3 colors with us. It's kind of weird, the colors, the combination of it. But let's be it. So, I was thinking which design I should do with this 3 color, because it's my first time to have this 3 color combination as well. So I just decided to put all the red color and orange in the middle, and I will apply in the left side a different style, opposite color of the other hand. So I think I'm figuring something out in my mind with the design. The color is nice, but the combination is kind of complicated, guys. So I'm thinking. Let's see. So I'm figuring it out, something like French design. So, I am making a French design with them all. And I am thinking to make the logo of Aries in the middle of my finger. Hope it will look nice. So guys, I have my material for designing. I just bought this one in online shop. It's very nice and it's very useful, guys, for designing. see how I make the design for the Aries logo. Scared that I will mess it up, but alhamdulillah guys, I did it in the right. So let's do the left hand. It's kind of struggle in the left hand, really. It's not easy to do a design by your own in the left hand. It's kind of little bit shaky. Not stable, guys. For the left hand, it's very, very difficult. Oh my god. And need more of patience on this. On my next vlog, guys, I will do those color combination with all the zodiac signs. So I'll give you some idea for the design for those color combination for your lucky color for 2025. So let's see how it looks like, this design I am doing. By the way guys, this time I'm not applying a gelish polish. It's just a normal nail polish I am using. It's more easy to do your design. And if you want the color will be last on it, you can apply on top coating, the coating for the gelish. So that's what I did, guys. That's just a tip for you guys for your nail polish to last it more longer. But it's not advisable because it's damaging also your nails. But for sometimes we can do that, but not as always as we want. So I am done, guys. I am applying now the top coating for the gelish, so it will last the color. And it's also looking more shiny. But like what I've said, don't do it usually. It's just sometimes, guys. So it will not burn your nail. It will damage your nails if you do it always, guys. So just for sometimes. So we're done in here, guys. It's so nice, the combination after all. Good, guys. My husband like it a lot. It's so gorgeous. It's fuzzy. I hope you like it, guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.